Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to manage your calendar license. A calendar license is assigned to service providers that need a bookable calendar. Let's learn how to manage your Vagaro licenses. We can add a Vagaro license under Employee Profiles. Hover over Settings, Employees, and select Employee Profiles. At the top of the page, you'll select See Plan Details. You can see how many calendars you currently have. Once you reach 7+ calendars, the base subscription maxes out at $90 per month. You can add an additional license here and create your employee profile to utilize this new license, or you can add the additional license while creating your staff's new profile. By clicking the green Add Employee button and adding our employee's information, we'll select an employee type in the drop-down menu. Selecting admin with calendar or service provider for an employee will be an additional license. If you'd like a calendar that cannot be bookable by customers, but to instead keep track of an employee's hours, personal tasks, or PTO, if you have Vagaro payroll, use the admin with calendar. If you'd like a calendar for clients to book time with the service providers, select service provider. We'll finish adding our employee and select Save. Once we've saved the employee's information, we can find our new employee here. If you'd like to decrease your calendar licenses, whether an employee is no longer working for your business or the license was accidentally added, all we need to do is find the specific staff member, select the Action menu, and select Delete. We'll agree by selecting Delete. Once you're finished, the license number will have decreased. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.